Southeast Asia stays hot and wet all year long. The burning heat makes air conditioners and cooling devices a basic need for local families. To learn more about the local home appliance market, we have traveled across several Southeast Asian nations and checked out local shopping centers.
Some of the houses have maybe 4 or 5 air conditioners. Electricity usage is extremely high. That's why we introduced the inverter technology with a high energy efficiency rating.
We have developed differentiated energy-saving control logics to adapt to Thailand's local usage scenarios and climatic characteristics. Energy efficiency and user comfort remain our core development priorities.
We introduced our roller mop cleaning technology specifically to address the Southeast Asian cooking style, which often involves high temperatures and heavy sauces. It is much more effective at removing kitchen stains and has been well received by local consumers.
I'm outside a Glee showroom in Jakarta. Let's go inside and have a look.
The country has a hot, humid, and high salinity climate. We carry out customized product development. To cope with high temperatures, we developed Gree's proprietary G-Boost compressor. To address the corrosive effects of Indonesia's coastal climate and salt-laden air, both the indoor and outdoor units receive anti-corrosion treatment. Gree was the first brand in Indonesia to introduce a 5-year full unit warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. We also launched a 24/7 customer service program.
And the numbers speak for themselves.
Basically, for the Malaysia market, for the past 3 years, Haier have been grabbing the market share aggressively. Retail-wise, we have roughly active 75 Haier brand shops throughout all Malaysia.
Today, Gree holds more than 20% of the Indonesian air conditioner market and has firmly established itself as a premium air conditioning brand among Indonesian consumers.
Here's what buyers told us.
I see that Chinese brands offer more choices and better technology than what we have known so far. Most importantly, I see that these products, for example, in terms of wattage, are more energy efficient. Chinese products were considered cheap. I think the price is very competitive for Chinese products, and the quality, as I said, with 24-hour service. So I think Gree is good. Perfect.
I searched on ChatGPT for the top 3 brands that are currently the most reliable. TCL was one of them, along with 2 other brands. But after comparing all the specifications, I found that TCL offers the best value for the price. If this TV turns out to be good, I'll buy another TCL product next time, or perhaps other Chinese products as well.
Behind this growing demand lies a new generation of smart manufacturing.
Today, I came to Media's factory in Thailand. Let's go and have a look. Stepping into Media's factory in Thailand, a full wheel of smart manufacturing unfolds. Rows of robotic arms move back and forth at high speed, precisely assembling core components in order. The entire production line operates with full process coordination, enveloped in an ambience of automated, digital, and intelligent production.
Automated guided vehicles are deployed to cut manual material handling operations. The automated high-rise storage system boosts production throughput while optimizing floor space utilization, enabling precise and consistent control over product molding uniformity.
But this is just the beginning. Behind these products, a broader vision is taking shape.
We remain committed to our core focus on home cleaning robots. Our goal is to transform Made in China into the preferred choice for consumers around the world.
In addition to selling products, Gree has established 16 training centers across Indonesia, providing free professional training for Indonesian technicians. As a Chinese company operating overseas, our goal is to put down roots in Indonesia. We hope to leave behind a pool of skilled professionals, a well-established installation and after-sales service system that will continue to benefit local consumers.
Made in China, now made for the world.